Hello and welcome everyone. First let me go ahead and thank each and every participant who took the pains, went ahead, got themselves signed up and enrolled for this course already. In this short video, what I will do is I will walk you through this whole course program so that you get a brief idea and orientation about what this program is all about. But before I do that, let me give you a brief introduction about myself. Hello, I am Dr. Rudra. I am a consultant physiotherapist by profession, specializing in neuromusculoskeletal conditions. I have over 12 years of clinical experience and also hold a degree in public health. I am also a clinical instructor and love to teach students. I have written numerous clinical articles and case studies that are right now published in different national and international forums. I have also authored a couple of ebooks and also created some online courses. That's pretty much about myself. Friends, as you all know that we have been struck by this global pandemic called coronavirus. We are right now passing through the deepest and the darkest phases of this century. As human beings, we used to think that we are sitting on the pinnacle of our civilization through our different technological advancements and accomplishments. But what happened? It took less than 1 gram of novel coronavirus to bring entire humanity and its economy to its knees. As of now, as of today, there is no definitive treatment method to fight against COVID-19. The only survival lies in the knowledge of prevention. In other words, prevention holds the key to our survival. This course is based exactly on those principles and concepts of prevention and survival techniques. In this course, I have enlisted and enumerated specific prevention techniques that will help you prevent coronavirus infection and certain survival strategies that will help you overcome and get rid of a coronavirus infection if you do get one and return to normal life as early as possible. This course is divided into 3 modules and further subdivided into 9 chapters that covers more than 80 topics on this subject. In the first module, I have tried to give you an idea about what exactly we are dealing with. You will find the introduction to the coronavirus, its origin and where did it came from, how do it manifest symptoms in an individual, what are the procedures of diagnosis, and what medical management we are currently deploying for those patients. In the second part of the first module, I have tried to clarify all the epidemiological terms and concepts that you had been hearing for quite some time in the media now. In the second module, I have enlisted and enumerated specific prevention techniques and survival strategies to deal with this COVID-19 situation. In the third module, I have given my perspective about the probable outcome of this whole COVID-19 situation. I have also discussed the socio-economic impact this whole COVID-19 situation had on our planet. And finally, I have also given an account of the different philosophical and spiritual aspects related to COVID-19. Now the question is, who is this course for? This course is for each and everyone. Be it a healthcare worker, be it a non-healthcare worker, or be it any normal human being. Because coronavirus does not discriminate, my friend. It does not discriminate whether you are a doctor, you are a healthcare worker, or a normal human being. We are all vulnerable to this virus to some extent or the other. I am more than convinced that if you go through this whole course, you will not only get a 360-degree view of this whole COVID-19 situation, but also you will get a multi-dimensional insight to it. I have used simple language, lucid language, and lot of infographics so that I can send out and my message across to each and everyone successfully. I have tried to be as intensive, as inclusive, and as comprehensive as possible. Finally, as a token of thanks, whoever have enlisted for this course, I have decided to give away a free ebook that covers all these 80 topics in further and extensive details. Not only that, you will get references to almost more than 50 resources that you can use for your further study or further research or further learning or reading. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope to see you on the other side of this course. Till then, it's thank you for now and goodbye for now. God bless you. Do take care.